Hi, my name is Veer and welcome to everyone Veer's Tech. In this video I am going to talk about how can how will we do and how can create a simple calculator with C language and with online compiler. So how? Don't worry, don't panic. I am here to share in this video. Please watching this video till start to end, not skipping in this video for your better understanding. My suggest not skipping in this video. Please till start to end continually watch this video for your better understanding. So without time wasting, I'm going to talk about how can create a simple calculator in C language. Thank you so much. Now let's begin and let's go to the online compiler. Okay, fine. So now we have come to the front page in our Google, and after that now we will type here online C compiler in the search box of Google. So let's type online C compiler in the search box of Google and then after enter. And after we have to open the first link only. So right now we will have to wait here because my network speed is slow. So just a wait, and then after we will move to online compiler. This is a user interface online C compiler. So first of all I will remove this every part, select and then delete. So I have successfully deleted the every part, and then after I will write here our program. First I am write here header file has include studio.h. Has include studio.h is stands for standard input output like printf scanf. It is a predefined library function. And second header file is has include conio.h. It is stands for console input output like get ch, return 0, cr, clear screen, etc. And it is used for C and C++ include inbuilt function. It takes input from keyboard on display it on screen. Now I am write main function. Main function is it's not a predefined function, it's a user defined function. It is a starting point to our program execution. After writing the main function, now we will declare the variables. Here we are going to declare only 4 variables. Variable means input from the user to output on the screen like integer, character, float, boolean, double, etc. It is a variable. And now we have only 4 variables used, in which 3 float value and 1 character value. Upper side 2 float value num1 and num2 and third character as a operator used, and again float value for result on the output screen. Okay, fine. Now I am write printf function. It is used for we use this to print any message on the output screen. For example, I am writing the enter the first number. Keep in mind that whatever message you want to print, it should all be inside the double quotation. After writing the message inside the double quotation, it is necessary to close bracket and then put semicolon. Now I am write scanf function, same process as a print function. It is used for take input from the user and read message and result will be executed. Now I am write scanf function inside the double quotation simple %f and operator num1, then bracket close and then semicolon. Now I am write again printf function inside the double quotation simple to print the message. I am write here enter the operation. Make sure remember now whenever you want to print any message, keeps its first letter so that our codes looks beautiful. Now when we will execute our program, this message print will be too visible in the display. After printing the operation message, We will also need Scanf function, from which we will take input from the user. In this we will use character value for input and then store the value in num2, and last close the bracket and put the semicolon. And last we need to print the message from the printf function. Simple, same process. Enter inside the double quotation mark, enter the second number. Just a bit, I am writing enter the second number. This message will be execute our program, then will show in display. Now that we have written the message to print the second number, we will also need a scanf function, from which will be take input from the user. Now we will use float variable for input and store in num2. Now we will use float variable for input and store in num2. Same process, inside the double quotation %f and operator num2, then close bracket and semicolon. In this video we will get our program to run with the help of switch case statement. The switch case statement is used when we have multiple options and we need to perform a different task for each options. Here I am write simple switch statement and inside the bracket op means operation, and start and close braces and case inside the single quotation minus operation and colon, and then result equal num1 minus num2 and semicolon. Print the function printf, simple write, and start bracket and inside the quotation %f, and after quotation comma and return, and then semicolon. And last I will write break statement and then semicolon. Break statement is a loop control statement that is used to terminate the loop. Now I am write case second and inside the single quotation plus operator and then colon and enter. Now I am write again result equal num1 and plus operator and then num2 and then semicolon. And again printf function, I will write printf start bracket and inside the semicolon %f and after quotation comma and then write result and close the bracket and then semicolon, and last break statement and then semicolon. Once again I am write case third, uh, simple case write and inside the single quotation star used to perform a multiple operation, and then same here result equal num1 star operation and num2 and then semicolon, and then again printf, simple start bracket and inside the quotation %f after quotation comma and then write result and close the bracket and then semicolon, and after return the printf function and last break statement and then semicolon. And last we will write here last case, simple I am writing case 4 and inside the single quotation modulus operator and then colon, and again I will write result equal num1 modulo operator, sorry, this is mistake for the num1 modulo operator and num2 and then semicolon, and again last printf simple start bracket and inside the quotation %f and after quotation comma and then write result and then close bracket and then semicolon and last break statement and then semicolon. Now we will finally print a message for the default value so that we know that when we perform any wrong operation we will get a different message show in the display. We use the default statement where none of the multiple operations match, and when there is no operation match then we get a separate message printed for that. For example, I am writing in the printf function inside the quotation the operation is not valid and then close quotation and close the bracket and put semicolon. Wait, I will remove the extra skin so that you can see a little bit more clearly. Now after switch case close bracket I will write get ch to use screen hold basically and then semicolon. So finally we have completed our program and made a simple calculator. So now it's time to run it. So let's run. Run is written in the green color box in the upper side. Just a simple click on it and do it execute our program. Oh, what did I mistake? Case spelling mistake. Please correct the spelling. Okay, now we have correct the spelling and I will run the program. Oh wow, my program is successfully running. Now here us to show the message in the display. Enter the first number, let's say I am right 33 and enter. Second message print, enter the operation. I am right simple plus operator and then enter. After pressing the enter key we immediately see the third message in which we had written enter the second number. So for example here I am right let's say 55 and result will be get 88, and if I again run our program and to call different operator then we will got what the result. Just wait some minute, now compiling processes is running. Okay, done. If I write here for example 55 and then enter, second message enter the operation, I will write here star and then enter the second number, I will write 8, result we got 440. If I run the program again and the operation returns an error, so what result will get? For example I am write 77, simple run, enter the operation. Here I am write operation are wrong. For example a, enter the second number, I will write here 88 and what will be the result. Now default message printed in the display in which it is written the operation is not valid. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, till then keep learning and more practice.